Welcome to VLearn. I am Sarulak and today I am going to discuss about Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. What is line clipping? Clipping is this: if we have a window, this is a window and this is the line. If we want to clip the line, we have to set the window position at line, and if you want to cut the line from left and cut the line from right, then if you want to clip this line using clipping window, the line will works like this. If an object is in clipping window, then clipping window is trivially rejected this line because this line is under clipping window. If the line is this and clipping window set at these positions, the line look like this. So we are going to study about Cohen-Sutherland clipping algo, how the line is going to be clipped when we set the clipping window. So first of all, we have the knowledge of clipping window. What is clipping window? To understand clipping window, we divide the clipping window in 4 regions: east, west, north and south. And put value according to this region. If you want to set the value, this is north. If this is north, then we set the value 1. We have to set 4 values in all region. This is north, so we set the value 1, and this is northeast. This is northeast, so we set the value 0, and this is northwest, so we set the value 0, and this is north south, so we set the value 0. So value of this box is 1000. We set the value according to news region, NEWS. We call this region code north, east, west and south. Now we set the value of this box. Is this north? Yes, we set the value 1. Is this east? Yes, this is east, so we set the value 1. Is this west? No. And is this south? No. Now we have the value 1100 like this. Now we set the value in this box. This is north, yes. This is northeast. Then we set the value 0. This is west, yes, and this is north south, so we set the value 0. Now we get the value of this box is 1010. As you can see, the value is 1010. Now we set the value of this box according to this. Is this north? No. Is this east? No. Is this west? Yes. Is this south? No. So we get the value 0010. Now we set the value 0010. Now we set the value of this box. This is north, this is northeast, this is northwest, and this is north south. So we get the value 00. Now we are going to set the value of this box according to this region code. Is this north? No. Is this east? Yes. Is this west? No. Is this south? No. We get the value 0100. You can see the value of this box is 0100. Now we set the value of this box according to this region code. Is this north? No. Is this east? No. Is this west? Yes. Is this south? No. We get the value. Is this south? Yes. So we get the value. Sorry, is this not north? So we get the value 0. Northeast, so we get the value 0. It is west, so yes. And this south, yes. So we get the value 0011. Now we are going to set the value of this box. Is this north? No. Is this east? No. Is this west? No. Is this south? Yes. Now we get the value of this box is 0001. Now we are going to set the value of this box according to this region code. Is this north? No. Is this east? Yes. Is this west? No. Is this south? Yes. So we get the value 0101. You will get. And this window is called clipping window. So if we have a line which start from this and end from this line is of P1 and this line is of P2. And if we have a line which starts from here and ends from here, and if we have a line which starts from here and ends from here, which line is to be clipped? Which line is clipped by clipping window? So we have clipping category. How can we know what are the categories and how the clipping window cuts the line? So we have 3 categories using which we can crop the line. The first category is this. If RA means start of A, we can say this is RA. Region code A, and this is region code B. This is region code B. We have to apply AND operations. We have to apply logical AND operations on both these regions. So we have region code A is equal to 1010 and we have region code B is 0011. Now we have to apply logical AND operations and both the value. As you know, false and true, when we apply logical AND operations, we get false and true is false. True and true is true, false and false is false, and true and false is false. So we get the value 0010. So we are in second category, because when we apply region code A and region code B on logical AND operations, then we get the value which is not equal to 0000. So we can say that this line or this object is completely outside window. This object is completely outside clipping window, so we cannot cut this line. We cannot crop this line. Now we apply clipping logical AND operations on both these points. So we have RA1, region code A is 1000 and region code B is 0100. Now we apply AND operations. False, 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 true, false, and true, false, false. We get the value 00. Now you can see we are in this category. We are in this category. If RA, when we apply RA and RB using logical AND operations, we get the value 00. Then this line is clipping candidate. So we crop the line. When we crop the line look like this. Now we apply the region code of this line is 0000 and the region code of this end point of the line is 0000. When we apply this, we can get, when we apply logical AND operations on both the value, we get false, 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 and false, false, false. We get the value 0. Now we are in the category of first. So you look, the line is trivially inside, and you look here, the line is trivially inside window. So we cannot crop this line. Another method to fill the value according to these equations for both end point of line. How can we set the region code? We can set the region code according to these equations also, and we can set the region code according to region code news. How can we set the region code according to news? We see, and if we want to set the region code according to these equations, you see, if y greater than y max, if we have